I'm usually not here when it's hot. And it's not that hot, but it's nice to cool off a little bit. That's a good spring, right?
Yeah, ice cold.
Yeah. Who likes tight trails on a 300 two-stroke? Let us know. There was a low line over there. I don't know where that goes. Did you take low line or high line? Yeah, down there. Well, I see where it joined back on, but... left one wasn't bad either. Good. So I always say this, it's hard to, you do not want to take your eyes off the road, as they say. Because you want to look at the cool river, and then you're like, oh no, never mind.